the schools invest graduates, be it academically and always in the field of sports.
North Liberty Higher Secondary School kalayok Khur yakanam overall champion. Haka district level inter-school athletic meet 2026. Balapanyay daka office u district sports officer DSO West Jaintia Hills ringkat kajian terilang ke West Jaintia District Sports Association WJDSA. Kani kalawan hadian baka North Liberty Higher Secondary School kalayok Khur arpusan teli kita kemaksiar, khandriu teli kita kemarupa, bat khatlai teli kita kemarnong. Bat kalayok ru ya kenam best athlete, haka kerdan under 14, 16, bat 18, haka liang ke kentai bat senrang. Kani kecingilek kai kalapoi no sya kebakut haka arpusau trik yayong Hamadan Multi Sports Complex Wayajer, haka balawan ban penhap perdaya ka daka kongsan ka kong DV Lingdo, Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District. Ya kenam best discipline team layok ra daka Albin Lamare Memorial Secondary School. Ya kenam best athlete jongka kerdan under 14. Nakal yang kishenrang layok daka North Liberty Higher Secondary School balami khmat dau ini bait Lamare haka jingya kop back throw kat baha kaliang ki kentai layok daka Jaintia Higher Secondary School balami khmat daka Ewa Kani Phawa haka jingya kop long jump. Haka kerdan under 16 na kaliang kishenrang layok daka School Senrait Higher Secondary School balami khmat da uram rembai. Haka jingya kop mare ka bah ndrius ho mitar. Kat ba na kaliang ki kentai layok daka North Liberty Higher Secondary School balami khmat daka peacefully poplet. Haka jingya kop mare ka bah ndrius ho mitar. Haka kerdan under 18 na kaliang kishenrang layok daka Kiang Nang Ba Higher Secondary School balami khmat da uribat bang. Haka jingya kop ka bashis pa mitar. Karba na kaliang ki kentai layok daka North Liberty Higher Secondary School balami khmat daka Sapika Pertu. Haka jingya kop mare ka bashis pa mitar. Ya kenam best team haka kerdan under 14 lara daka HK Singh Memorial Secondary School. Daka bakhur artli kitak maksiar markawe kitak marupa batak marnong. Baar ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School daka bakhur mar artli kitak maksiar batak marnong. Haka kerdan under 16 ya kenam best team lara daka North Liberty Higher Secondary School daka bakhur nyau tli kitak maksiar nyau kitak marupa batsan kitak marnong. Baar ka HK Singh Memorial Secondary School daka bakhur lightly kitak maksiar bat artli kitak marnong. Haka kerdan under 18 ya kenam best team lara daka North Liberty Higher Secondary School daka bakhur khandriu teli kitak maksiar khandai kitak marupa bat ndriu kitak marnong. Baar ka Kiang Nang Ba Government Higher Secondary School daka bakhur lai teli kitak maksiar bat lai teli kitak marnong. Nalor ka kongsan ladon lang ru u District Sports Officer DSO West Jaintia Hills ma krobok pasa. Kinong yalam bat khot nong kitkam ka WJDSA kinong hikai nalor kiwe kiriupa kumat kathan.
Sport is not only an extracurricular activities for you. It's not just an extracurricular activities, but there's also being an integral part of whatever you do. Whatever you do. Yes, I've heard everyone says sports help us remain healthy. Sports helps to build up a lot of team spirit. Sports helps, it gives us the leadership skills. No doubt, these are very, very true. But I feel today, standing here, I would also like to mention another two important lessons that we should learn from sports. One thing is that we should learn how to overcome. Now, sports will help you overcome failure. This is a very, very important lesson that we need to learn from sport. It helps you to become failure. It helps to make, success. It helps you to, it gives you the ability to overcome failure. because in our life we face many failure compared to success. So therefore the ability to overcome failure will help you reach high up in life. So I think this is one reason. And another reason that I would point it out here is that it helps us understand people. I've heard for 3 days you've been participating in the athletic meet, and today is the last day, the closing ceremony. You've met many students from many schools from your own district. You must have made friends. You must be very, very happy enjoying these 3 days. You'll cherish this for the rest of your life. So another important reason is that it will help you understand people, help you to understand your friend. It's not just taking part in the sport is for winning, but it helps you to understand them, help you to support them. So these are the two reason, the two lessons that I would say, which will help that sport help each one of you to build you up and make you a beautiful human being. So yes, you must have enjoyed a lot these 3 days. I have nothing more to say, but your enjoyment, your memories, your friendship that you've met in these 3 days will help you cherish, like I've said. And please do help each other and understand that winning is not everything, but taking part is most important. And I really, if the parents happen to be here, I would like to request the parents of the students to kindly encourage them to take part in the sport, to play sport, so that you will see a different, a successful human being, emerging out of this. So this is all with these few words. I wish you all the best, and please do be the others also, those who are not taking part in the sport, kindly next year you should also be on the ground standing there with your friends and not only cheering but also be a part of the sport.
Yang Ivy.
This is the second call for long jump. Here are also the finalists for the 3 under 18 girls.
Silver medal goes to North Liberty.
Goes to Ami Sakadakar on and on English High Secondary School with a